Hello everyone, my name is Mudit Ji. I am an advertising and commercial photographer and cinematographer based in Delhi, working in Pan India. So today what happened with me, unfortunately in the morning I lost my chats around 8 am, and when I recovered I could just find only the names coming in, but there was no chat, and I was worried about it, like how to recover it, and did lot of things like on searching on Google, and finally I searched about TFA Gopal Pathak Ji on Google, and then I came at around 9:50 p.m. at night, because I was worried because there was a lot of stuff happened, a lot of chats were there in my phone, lot of business deals were there in my phone, and within half an hour of time he just recovered all the chats for me, and it's been a great immense pleasure saying, guys, I highly recommend you to just come over TFA Nirman. We are at Gopal Pathak's place for any kind of data recovery. He's a very good expert in whatever he does, and for him the money does not matter, for me the money does not matter, but what mattered to me was the chat. So big thank you to Gopal ji and TFA Data Recovery. Thank you.